This is my new dishwasher, and it's finally getting installed today. Watch this video to see it get installed. The drill. To reorganize my kitchen again when this is done and all the way.
You're gonna have your opening back to keep the kitchen.
Getting my new dishwasher in.
Show me, what are you getting into now? There's another cozy one.
Okay.
Well, now the dishwasher makes the same noises as the washing machine.
Now you're not just gonna be sure which one's going off.
It's your Shaws, huh?
What's that?
All the Shaws.
What about them?
Look at that.
Yeah.
Oh, it's looking good.
3 in New Hampshire and 2 in Mass.
Really?
My dad's going to enjoy putting that, loading that up and learning how to run it.
It all seems pretty easy buttons.
Weird that the silverware thing's in the back though, huh?
Yeah, they usually have options. It probably can go on the side too.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, okay.
Oh, yeah, that's gonna be a good show. Right.
Yeah, that works. So I'll let him decide which one he likes better. Probably the side. I think it's going to be the side, though. I think that works.
Yeah, that's where ours is on the side. We like it like that.
Yeah. Well, this one here had it on the side, but actually it was on the front, and I didn't like it because when you shut the door, it would hit the...
They would hit everything first.
Yeah, and the forks or knives or whatever would, like, be bent.
Right.
I really didn't like that unit at all. And it didn't clean good either.
Oh, no shit.
And the guy at Home Depot said, well, they only have like a life of like 5 years. I'm like, seriously?
Wow.
I'm like, that's an expensive investment for 5 years. But I guess this one lasted almost 15. He
That's
said,
not
you
bad.
got good life out of that one. I'm like, yeah, now it's not working.
Right.
I think we've been home, like, washing dishes by hand since like, when
It
did...
still sort of works. It just makes...
Since
makes
like
some
January.
just makes some weird noises when you run it.
I got you.
Oh, and it lasted 4 hours to wash. And I'm like, that's enough. Wasting water.
We took it out because the drain was plugged up and it wouldn't drain. And then when we got the drain unplugged, we figured out, oh, well, it still works. And then...
It ran for 4 hours, and then it would make this weird, like, it made this weird humming sound. And like, I don't think that's a good idea. And it ran for 4 hours, and I'm like, no.
Huh, no
The
shit.
sound was weird.
I said, no wonder we had a high water bill. You know.
Well, it only had one wash setting. It
Yeah.
didn't have multiple different, like this one got one.
Well, it had
hour
energy
wash or
saver
light wash
and
or
stuff,
heavy duty, but
It
that
didn't
one
have a
had,
1
like,
hour
two.
wash or anything.
And then it had auto sense and regular,
Huh.
and even with the auto sense on 4 hours.
Yeah, it was horrible. So I'm looking forward to running this new machine, and as a 1 hour wash, I'm happy about that too.
Yeah, that'll be nice. So like 3 hours.
Yeah.
Run for 4 hours,
Really?
no matter what
Yeah, it was horrible.
setting it was on.
And it didn't wash the dishes. We're like, okay. And we had to re-wash the dishes, and it was like, okay, that's enough.
Right.
Start washing them by hand after you just
Right.
put them through the
Actually, you had to
dishwasher.
wash them 3 times. Because to rinse them really good, then you had to wash them in the dishwasher and re-wash them because they weren't washed. it was like not worth it. We're like, nope, I'm good.
And then we destroyed the insulation around it, pulling it out too. So
Sorry, I actually installed one yesterday, and then we ended up putting it in. Then turned around the the insulation was on the floor still. He's like, should we put it in? I was like, we could put it in. It's 2 screws, pull it out and put it on. We'll put it back in.
So you said we had a minor leak underneath the sink?
Just the shut off itself.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
But when you turn it back on, because it's not off,
Yeah.
it probably won't leak.
Yeah,
it's weird
just
how they work like that.
Okay.
It's because it's got all that pressure now.
Mhm.
It's just doing a residual like little drip. But
Oh,
once you
okay.
open it back up, it'll just let the pressure flow.
Okay,
Yeah,
so
that's
it
the
won't.
one-
It doesn't
They
need
were playing
repairing
with
right
the
now.
two
Then.
on the right side, they never thought when they were here the other day to do the one on the riser.
Right.
I was like, if those guys just spin this one, I'm pretty sure it kills the whole line of them.
I think that the floor is uneven over there too, because they.
It took
What they
us-
did was when
it
they
took
put
us
the
a while to shim that
when
one
they
out of
put
there,
the
and they
wood
had
on.
different.
Yeah. Well, I
when
think-
they put the laminate in, they didn't put it in underneath the dishwasher,
Yeah,
so
they
it's
went
coming in
around it, yeah.
uneven.
Yeah, I know how people do that. They want to take it out.
So, yeah. I was told that this water line here is blocking the dishwasher from going in, so he's gonna go get a new fitting thing for that, so that the dishwasher will go in mesh, so that will work. He couldn't get it fixed right, so we need to get it all repiped. So we have the new dishwasher here, and my dad is cutting some boards to put in here because the water line sticks out too far and we can't push it back. So this just ended, so I'm very happy with that. I can open it now, and it is ready to put dishes in, and I'm gonna run my first cycle. Look how nice and pretty that is. It has a nice rack on the top here as well for utensils and stuff. So I'm going to put dishes in the dishwasher to test it out. And my dad is cutting the board right now. Put up there. So in the meantime,
don't bother you. He's all talk.
He just doesn't like the sounds.
Good boy.
That's easy to do, huh?
It's easy.
Shut the cord right around your foot.
Bye-bye. Have a good day. He's like, what went on? What happened? Huh? They take it away? Of course they did. I mean, enjoy your bed.